Today is... I bought an acrylic nail kit online. It arrived today and I want to have some fun, so I'm doing my own acrylic nails. I've watched at least one other YouTube video, and of course I've watched Jenna Marbles' video on trying to do her own acrylic nails as well. Partially this is because like my nails, ooh, they are like some classic lockdown anxiety nails. Just I've been trying to cover it up with press-ons, and it's just getting to the point where this is just not coping anymore. So I thought, why not do it myself? I'm sure it's gonna go fine. Like Jenna's went okay, so mine can go okay, right? Right? I also have instructions. I should probably read those. Coffee! Yes! Mother has brought Dobby a gift. Dobby is free. I've got to apparently prep the nail. So I've got to do the thing where I push back the cuticles, but not too much that I cause damage. Look, my nails can't get much worse. So really, it's fine. It's all good. It's gonna work out so well. I feel as though the only person that's really gonna suffer with this new kit, Mum, is definitely Monkey, is definitely Jai.
Oh yeah.
Because we all know that I'm gonna be practicing on him. But like, I will of course ask for permission, but that permission may also include blackmail and bribery. So my plan of attack is, it says that the nail prep like dehydrates the nail for like half an hour. I feel as though it's gonna take me about half an hour to do each nail. So my thought process is, if I do my right pinky, no, my left pinky first, that's a useless nail. So I can practice on there, the beading techniques and all that kind of stuff that I've watched the 3 videos on, one of them being Jenna Marbles, so like super educational. Look, it was fun to watch, don't get me wrong, just like instructional. If I do this one, it's a useless one. It's not gonna affect anything because I gotta do the right hand first with my left hand because I'm right-handed. And once the nails are on the left hand, the right hand's not getting done. So I want a full set of nails. She has a vision, so we're gonna go with that. Are we ready to rock and roll? Usually they do this with a kind of tool. I don't have one of those. I don't want to overwhelm myself. I'm already overwhelmed. Nail prep, primer, phone storage full. No! How am I supposed to film it? Okay. Well, how am I gonna do this? Oh no, I have an iPad. Oh, my thinking hat. I think that's gonna be necessary today. Oh, I'm already so nervous. I'm already so nervous. I'm already so nervous. Everything's fine, everything's fine, everything's fine. Oh, okay, it's on. Yeah! Oh, it's on! I got to stick. Why am I so excited? So I think we're gonna cut like there. Is that straight? Thankfully I'm wearing glasses. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, I am so impressed you're trying.
B+ for effort. Oh, you have way too much faith in me, Mum. The fact that you think that this is gonna work out well is astounding.
So much faith in your talents and abilities.
Why? You shouldn't. If I started somewhere with makeup, I can start somewhere with nails. You never know, in like a few years time, maybe this will be a nail channel. This is absolutely lopsided. Look, it'll match me spine. Yes, the clinical term, a topsy-turvy spine. Here I've been calling it scoliosis this whole time. We got the brush. It's number 8 brush. I don't know what that is. I swear I'm trying. I make jokes about how I don't know what I'm doing and like all this other kind of stuff because like I don't know what I'm doing. So if it goes badly, it's like I didn't care in the first place. Like it's self-sabotage, let's be honest. Like I do actually care and I really want this to work out, but also like my defense mechanism's coming in, which is just like I didn't care in the first place, so why does it even matter? Okay, so we're just okay. I apparently can't pour things in a little shot glass. I work at a bar. That should be like the one thing that I do know how to do. Place it on. Oh, nope, she's already screwed it up. Oh, nope. Oh, no, no, no. This was such a bad idea. Oh, no. I don't think I can fix that. Of course I can fix that. I'm a magician. All right. That went awfully. Oh, no. She looks hideous. So, what I've learnt is we're not great at this. Oh, look at how ugly she is. I'm just gonna hope that I can file this down for dear life. Okay, so there's the beautiful pinky done. And if we thought that that was an absolute time, now that I kind of know how to do it with my dominant hand, we're just gonna try and do it with my non-dominant hand. Because why not? Sounds great, right? Sounds like it's gonna go super well. Left hand, come on, buddy. You have always failed me. Now's your time to shine. That side specifically, I don't have to shape that much because it's lopsided. So that's nice. My poor brother is gonna have to deal with me coming at him with this kit. And I'm so excited. He loves me, so he'll agree to it. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous because left hand screws everything up. Oh, not on the skin, not on the skin. On the nail, on the nail. Oh God, that's such a big chunk, that's such a big chunk. Smaller beads, smaller beads, smaller beads! Okay, well that went awfully. I'm so glad that I got to share that with you guys. This is going so bad. If I don't laugh, I'll cry! I wish I could say that I was getting better. That would be a flat out lie! I'm getting worse, I'm getting worse, I'm getting worse, I'm getting worse, I'm getting worse. Oh my gosh, what is that? That is disgusting! It's not going well. Apparently the only thing I know how to do at the moment is how to clean the brush. Also, I'm probably just gonna keep practicing this. So like if you see my nails looking horrific in a video, it's because I did it myself. They're just progressively getting like worse and worse. Like, what is that? Left hand, you're supposed to get better, no worse. You're just trash. This one, you're gonna look the best, but you work the worst. Like, it doesn't make sense. Thank you for donating your important time to us and joining us for this brief moment in history. One that all of us are probably gonna wanna forget. Like, I guess. Left hand, why are you useless? You could function, that would be great. I want ice cream. But I'm lactose intolerant. Look, that hasn't stopped me before. If right hand's worse than left hand, I am gonna be so angry. The concentration is real today. I haven't like focused this hard since the like 24-hour formal dress. Thumb acrylics on. Oh, that's it. Yes! Look, she looks absolutely disgusting. Look at that. I'm gonna call her Uglina. So I'm really excited to be moving over the left hand, even though you've done absolutely nothing today. At least we know that you're gonna look semi-better. You're gonna look a whole 2% better than right hand. Congratulations, left hand, on not being the dominant hand. That is your like strength in life, is not being the dominant, therefore you look better. It's the unfortunate byproduct, right hand. You do all the work and yet you look ugly. I am sorry. But sometimes people's purposes in life is to make others shine, never to really shine themselves. That got wildly deep and I hate it. Do I still have coffee? Oh, I do. She's cold. That was gross. I hate that. That was rank. I hate that. Okay, so right hand's done. Gonna do left hand now. Can't get much worse. It's just so bad. It's just so bad. It's just so bad. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Left eye, bad at doing eyeliner. Left hand, bad at doing everything else. Character consistency. I really want to get to the point where I can do the nail forms where you stick them on and get the big like stiletto nails. They look dope. That's gonna be like a year or two from now, but screw it. Let's keep going. Let's have fun. I am enjoying myself, don't get me wrong, just like I'm also super stressed. Oh, not supposed to get it on the skin, JJ. Did it anyway, love that. I'm sorry guys, the camera quality on my like iPad is going to be absolutely awful, but at least you can kind of see what I'm doing. Look, this isn't supposed to be educational. This is supposed to be me having a laugh. Oh, that bead was awful. Oh no, we hit the cuticle. Oh, everything's gone wrong. That's right, I'm gonna get better at this. So far, we just keep getting worse. I'm so excited. We're almost done. 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 Yes! Wouldn't it be so much easier to do this, JJ, if you didn't have like nails that were bitten to absolute shreds? I wonder. All right, I think that's it. I think that's the last one. Oh, she does it. Oh, thank God. Oh, she does it. Oh, all the acrylic's on. Oh, now I just gotta buff it all out. Oh, this is such a relieving feeling. I'm just gonna be down here for a bit. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna be on the floor. Do we all feel better? I feel better. They all still look ugly though. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Stunning. I'm just gonna try and fix these by buffeting them out, hoping that they go from like a bit of a train wreck to just a bit of like a heap of burning trash, if we catch my drift. I'm gonna be here for like an hour. This is why they have the kind of tools. Come on. There's that cuticle oil in front of me and oh, she looks so good. She looks so nourishing and just all of the good things in the world. And I want to put that on right now. After an hour of buffing, I think we're done. Like, that's as good as they're gonna get. They're a lot better. They're just still not great. I'm still slightly ashamed of them, but at the same time, for a first attempt, I'm pretty happy. Like they sound right. But now we're up to painting. We're up to painting. We're up to painting. We're up to the final step. I didn't get the like acrylic nail polish, the one that goes over the top with like the UV and stuff, because as I said, just electrical tools to use with this just seem very overwhelming. So I just got like this stuff. Once again, I'm gonna do my dominant hand first for the same reasons I did the dominant hand first last time. Ooh, damn. I decided to go for this one because she's kind of shiny. Can she at least apply nail polish? Oh yeah. Guess we'll find out. Oh, I promise I'll get better. Why did I think this is gonna work out well? Alright, cool. They only look kind of busted now. I'm so happy for us. I decided to go for like a really subtle color because I thought, you know what? If I want people to notice this less, I should just go for a super duper subtle color to go over the top. And I think I succeeded in my choice. If we went for something like beige, everyone would be able to tell. Beige is such an obvious color. The amount of times I'll be walking down the street being like, wow, that's beige. What's wrong with me? I fell asleep. Essentially what happened was I put the gel polish on my nails. I needed them to dry, so I sat on the lounge and watched some Monk, and then I woke up this morning. I'm the worst YouTuber ever. Halfway through a video, falls asleep on the couch, wakes up at like 8 AM the next morning. Granted, it was like 2 AM when I was painting my nails like with a clear top coat, so like I guess it's kind of to be expected. This is it. These are the nails. Okay, so on camera, because I made a TikTok on this as well, on camera, also I do feel like the teeniest bit like, I love when I get nails on because I get like very flicky. Lots of sass, lots of attitude. Yes. Okay. What was, yes. On camera, they don't look that bad. But I promise you, in person, they look worse. Also, the amount of like that I was doing to my nails, they kind of hurt. So if they still hurt, like they're not like super painful, but I have a really high pain tolerance, so lol. But they hurt like the tiniest amount. So if they still hurt by tomorrow, I'm gonna soak them off. But yeah, I'm gonna give you some sexy slow-mos, I guess. made them look like toe thumbs. Essentially, these are my nails. I'm gonna try and keep them on for as long as possible, but because I have no idea what I'm doing, they're probably gonna lift and fall off anyway, so like, love that for me. For a first go, I'm pretty proud of myself, I'm not gonna lie. Granted, there's a lot of room for improvement, but for a first turn, and also like first turn with left hand, this is right hand definitely did a lot better. My thumbnail, this one here, I'm actually not too mad about. I just shaped it really badly afterwards, but even though the whole entire video, I'm pretty sure all you're gonna get from me is something like, I really enjoy doing it. I found it kind of therapeutic at the end of it. And I feel as though with practice, I'm gonna get a lot better. And then in like 2-3 years, you never know where I'm gonna be with this. I'm probably never gonna offer my services to anyone because I have no idea what I'm doing. But to do it myself, it's just a fun other like way of artistry. Be prepared. On camera, you're gonna see me with like some nails that are kind of questionable for quite a while because I'm going to be doing them myself. Please let me know down in the comments below what you think of these nails. Also, if you are a nail person, please leave me constructive criticism because I really want to kind of learn. Like not for like professional standards, but like learn for my own like entertainment, if that makes sense. But before I go, I just want you to know that you are perfect, majestic, intelligent, beautiful, and amazing, and all the good things in the world. And I hope that you are having a fantastic day, a fantastic week, a fantastic month, a fantastic year, and you are being as fantastic as always. Bye, baby cakes.